Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about an incredibly vital part of India's natural heritage, its forests. India is home to a diverse range of forests, each contributing significantly to the environment, economy, and the well-being of its people. The forest cover of India spans over 21% of its geographical area, and these forests are home to rich biodiversity and provide countless ecosystem services. Let's explore the different types of forests found in India. 1. Tropical rainforests. In the tropical regions of India, we find tropical rainforests, mainly in the western Ghats, parts of the northeastern states, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These forests are rich in biodiversity, with an abundance of plants, trees, and wildlife. The evergreen forests in these regions receive heavy rainfall throughout the year, making them home to numerous species of birds, animals, and insects. The Western Ghats, in particular, are recognized as one of the 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity in the world. Here, we find species like the lion-tailed macaque, the Malabar giant squirrel, and various medicinal plants. 2. Tropical dry deciduous forests. Moving towards the central and northern parts of India, we find tropical dry deciduous forests. These forests experience distinct dry seasons and are found in states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Rajasthan. In these forests, trees like teak, sal, and bamboo shed their leaves during the dry season to conserve water. These forests are home to several species of wildlife, including tigers, leopards, elephants, and several species of birds and reptiles. The famous Jim Corbett National Park, located in Uttarakhand, is a prime example of such forests. 3. Temperate forests. In the Himalayan regions of India, such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, we have temperate forests. These forests are found at higher elevations, where the climate is cooler. They are predominantly made up of coniferous trees, such as pine, deodar, and fir, along with broadleaf trees like oak and maple. These forests are home to animals like the Himalayan brown bear, snow leopards, and various species of pheasants. The temperate forests play a significant role in controlling soil erosion and maintaining the hydrological balance in the region. 4. Montane forests. In the higher altitudes of the Himalayas and other mountain ranges, we have montane forests. These forests are located at elevations ranging from 1,000 to 2,500 meters above sea level. They consist of a combination of temperate trees like conifers and broadleaf species. These forests support unique ecosystems, including alpine meadows, which are vital for the survival of high-altitude flora and fauna. The rich biodiversity in these regions includes species like the Himalayan teher, musk deer, and various types of orchids and rhododendrons. 5. Mangrove forests. India is also home to some of the largest and most ecologically significant mangrove forests in the world. These are primarily found in the coastal regions of the Sundarbans in West Bengal, the Gujarat coast, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Mangrove forests are unique because they grow in saline coastal areas and are characterized by salt-tolerant trees and plants. The Sundarbans, in particular, are famous for their population of Royal Bengal tigers and are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Mangroves play a crucial role in protecting coastal areas from erosion and act as breeding grounds for many marine species. 6. Bamboo forests. Bamboo forests are found in the northeastern states of India, such as Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. These forests are particularly important for the local communities who rely on bamboo for building materials, handicrafts, and even food. Bamboo forests also play an essential role in soil conservation and maintaining the ecological balance. The biodiversity in these forests includes a variety of animals, such as the red panda and the Indian rhinoceros. Conclusion. In conclusion, India's forests are incredibly diverse, providing essential resources for both the environment and the people who depend on them. These forests not only support a rich variety of flora and fauna but also offer numerous benefits such as maintaining the water cycle, regulating the climate, and ensuring the livelihoods of millions of people. However, these forests are under threat from deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. It is essential for us to protect these vital ecosystems to ensure a sustainable and healthy future for our country. Thank you.